What are the international homeschooling law differences? Imagine a world where education is shaped not only by individual choice but also by the laws of the land you are in. Homeschooling, a popular alternative to traditional schooling, varies significantly from country to country. Understanding these differences can be crucial for families considering this educational path across borders. In some countries, homeschooling is fully recognized and regulated by national or regional authorities. For example, in the United States of America, homeschooling is legal in all 50 states, but each state has its own specific regulations. These may include requirements for curriculum approval, periodic assessments, and record keeping. Some states requiring parents to register their homeschooling programs with local education agencies, while others have minimal oversight. In contrast, countries like Germany and Sweden have strict restrictions on homeschooling. In Germany, homeschooling is generally illegal unless parents obtain special permission, which is rarely granted. The German government mandates compulsory attendance at recognized schools, and homeschooling families often face legal challenges. Similarly, in Sweden, homeschooling is only permitted under specific circumstances, such as if the child has special needs that cannot be met in a traditional school setting, and even then, approval is difficult to obtain. Other nations have more flexible or less defined laws. For instance, in the United Kingdom, homeschooling is legal and considered a parental right. However, parents are expected to provide a full-time education that is suitable to the child's age, ability, and aptitude. Local authorities may conduct visits to ensure the child's welfare and educational progress, but there is no requirement for registration or standardized testing. In Australia, homeschooling is legal in all states and territories, but each region has its own registration process and educational standards. Some regions requiring parents to submit an educational plan and demonstrate that they can provide a suitable education. Regular assessments or reviews may also be part of the process to ensure compliance. In Asian countries such as Japan and South Korea, homeschooling faces more restrictions. Japan generally requires children to attend public or private schools, with homeschooling being an exception only under specific conditions and with government approval. South Korea has similar restrictions, and homeschooling is rarely recognized officially, often leading families to seek alternative educational arrangements. Overall, the landscape of homeschooling laws around the world is diverse. Some nations embrace parental choice with minimal regulation, while others impose strict requirements or outright bans. For families considering homeschooling internationally, understanding the legal framework of each country is essential to ensure compliance and to provide a stable educational environment for children.